What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today it is 10 facts you did not know about the earth, or 10 things you didn't know about the earth. This is the 7th or 8th video, I don't know which one it is, probably 8th, possibly. We're going to do 10 videos, which means that once we get to 10, I will stop this earth and this universe videos, and then we'll move on to normal stuff like I used to. You know, ghosts, fails, try not to laugh, etc, etc, and if there's anything else that there is. Once we get to 10, that's it. I will be doing 10 and I wouldn't have missed any in a row, no weeks missed. 10 in a smoothful row. Now before we do start, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share, and when you do subscribe, make sure you hit that bell and then you will not miss a notification. In order to do that, if you're watching this on your phone, press it so hard that your phone breaks. Smash your PlayStation or your Xbox remote into the TV to make sure you smash that bell as well. And if you've got a Wii, then you're one of those people, aren't you? And if you're doing it on your laptop or your computer, just punch the screen, I guess, or use your mouse and just hit. But either way, you will not miss a video, and I've got 5 shorts coming up. They're very similar, but with different people in it. I'm not going to say anything else than that. And that is if you've watched this video before my short. But either way, let's get into it.
Ten amazing things you didn't know about the Earth.
Go on, tell me.
10. Secret Ocean. Scientists have discovered a vast reservoir of water located 660 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface.
How does that work?
The underground ocean is hidden inside a blue rock called ringwater.
Okay, that explains
which acts
it.
like a sponge, trapping hydrogen and water. There is
Here's a
enough
sponge.
water beneath the Earth's surface to fill the Earth's oceans 3 times over. Scientist Steve Jacobson suggests that the Earth's surface oceans were first formed when trapped water was driven to the surface by geological activity.
Whatever that means.
This contradicts the widely accepted theory that icy comets deposited water onto Earth. 9. Uneven gravity. Many people assume that gravity is distributed evenly on Earth.
Yes, I thought.
But there are certain places, such as Hudson Bay in Canada, that actually experience less gravity than other regions of the globe. In Hudson Bay, this occurs because there is only a small amount of landmass due to retreating glaciers on the surface and swirling magma in the Earth's core.
What's this even
A
mean?
satellite called the Gravity Field and Steady State Ocean Circulation Explorer was sent into space in 2009 to create a map of the planet's gravitational field. It mapped Earth's gravity with extraordinary accuracy and is used by geophysicists to measure ocean circulation, sea level change, and ice dynamics.
That's a lot.
8. Longer Earth days. Around 620 million years ago, there were only 21.9 hours in a day.
Shame's not 22.
Ocean tides generated by the moon and sun's gravity have added 1.7 milliseconds to the length of a day each century.
Wow.
Because they alter the planet's rotational momentum. The length
Nuts.
of the day can also be affected by natural events, such as the 2011 earthquake in Japan, which actually shortened the length of each Earth day.
Huh?
The quake changed the distribution of the Earth's mass, causing it to rotate slightly faster, decreasing our day by about 1.8 microseconds.
Bruv.
7. Pangaea. Pangaea was a
Yeah, we know
supercontinent
that.
that
Well, I know
existed during
that.
the late Paleozoic and early Mesozoic eras, 300 million years ago. Formed by the movement of Earth's tectonic plates, it began to break apart about 175 million years ago. At this time, most of the dry land on Earth was joined in one huge landmass that covered nearly a third of the planet's surface. Geologists believe that due to tectonic plate movements, in 250 million years, the Earth's continents will be merged again into one giant landmass, forming Pangaea Ultima. Currently, each year, Hawaii, which sits on the Pacific plate, moves nearly 3 inches closer to Alaska. 6. Hot in here. Over the next 1.1 billion years, scientists predict that the sun will get progressively brighter and hotter by about 10% compared to now. In 4 billion years, our oceans will evaporate, resulting in a runaway greenhouse effect that will send temperatures soaring above
I don't
750
understand
degrees
any
Fahrenheit,
of this.
rendering life on Earth impossible. In 7.5 billion years, Earth will become a vast desert similar to Mars
Okay,
today,
well, I won't be
and
there.
the Sun will
I ain't
expand
suffering.
into a red giant. At this point, scientists predict that the Sun will engulf Earth altogether, meaning the definite end of our
Well,
planet.
I won't be there, so
5.
good luck to you.
Earth used to be purple.
I don't believe
There is an
that.
astrobiological hypothesis that suggests that Earth used to be purple. Scientists believe that before plants as we know them became dominant, ancient microbes might have used a molecule other than chlorophyll to harness the sun's rays. The molecule, called retinal, gave Earth's organisms a violet hue. According to Shilda Sama, a microbial geneticist from the University of Maryland, chlorophyll gradually replaced retinal because it is more efficient at absorbing light, and thus purple became green. 4. How did life on Earth begin? There are around 8.7 million different species on Earth.
I'm part of one of them.
Scientists are still not entirely sure how life on Earth began. Most scientists believe that living things developed from molecules that were able to replicate themselves, rather like DNA does. These molecules either came from somewhere further out in space, or they were produced by the conditions on Earth at the time. A new study suggests the latter and argues that the building blocks of life, such as the compounds that would be necessary to create DNA, existed on Earth prior to the creation of the first life forms. 3. Earth is a bumpy globe. Despite countless photos of Earth depicted as a perfect sphere, planet Earth is actually an imperfect, bumpy globe. This
I
is
didn't
because
expect that, I
Earth's
just expected to say the
rapid
mountains.
rotation on its axis causes it to push outwards at the equator, making it look like a squashed ball.
Huh.
Due to the Earth's uneven shape, Mount Everest isn't actually the tallest mountain.
Excuse me?
If measured from sea level, Everest would top the list, but measuring from the center of the Earth, Mount Chimborazo takes the crown.
Huh.
2. Underwater mountain range. The longest mountain range on Earth is actually 90% underwater. It is called the Mid-Ocean Ridge System and was formed by the movement of plate tectonics.
Of course it was.
Surveyed in
I
detail
knew
in the
that.
1950s, it stretches for 80,000 kilometers all around the world and is nearly 20 times longer than the longest range on the surface, the Andes Mountains. Furthermore, it consists of thousands of individual volcanoes that sporadically erupt. Around 20 volcanic eruptions occur each year, and this causes the formation of 2.5 kilometers of new seafloor.
That's like more than one a month.
Geomagnetic
Average.
reversal. The Earth's magnetic field is becoming less stable.
Uh-oh.
Researchers believe that the planet's inner core is slowly growing as the outer core cools and solidifies, resulting in more frequent flips of Earth's magnetic field. In other words, if the polarity of today's magnetic field were reversed, the north and south markings on all compasses would be 180 degrees wrong.
Huh.
Using fossil records from hundreds of past magnetic polarity reversals, scientists have determined that the reversal of the magnetic poles should not have a dramatic effect on human life.
I sure hope so.
However, some animals, such as pigeons and whales, use the Earth's magnetic field for a sense of direction. So if a reversal occurs in their lifetime, they might have to develop different methods of navigation.
Yeah, they'll have to evolve to that. Anyway, that concludes the video. I knew Pangea, didn't know it could possibly form Pangea 2.0. So, luckily, I'll be in the grave by the time that happens. And pretty much everyone I know, pretty much everything will be in the grave by then. Maybe the Earth will even be destroyed by us humans polluting. But either way, remember, you shall subscribe. You shall subscribe with the bell on. And you shall watch my YouTube shorts. But either way, I'll see you guys in the next video. Which, depending on which it is either next week's video or my shorts. Peace, if you can see me.